Here's some fun ideas for some DIY Halloween decorations. You know those extra paper bags you have lying around the house? Well, go ahead and take a few of those, different sizes, and spray paint them white. A variety of bags will help create the look that I'm going for here. Then take some black construction paper and something you can use as a stencil to make an eye or a mouth. What we're going to go for here is some bag ghosts. Then go ahead and use a hot glue gun and place what you've just cut out onto the paper bag. And then after just a few minutes of work, look at the family of ghosts you've created for your home. Now you can do the same thing using some mason jars that you may have lying around the house as well. Take a variety of different sizes of mason jars and some googly eyes and that same white spray paint. Go ahead and spray paint the mason jar on all sides. That color will look good. You can use white. You can use really any color that you'd like. Once the paint dries, well, then you just take those googly eyes and use a hot glue gun and put them in place to make a little family of ghosts out of mason jars. Finally, how about some dryer duct and a glue gun and some orange spray paint? Take that dryer duct and kind of cut it in place so that you create a circle. The whole idea is that you're trying to make a little ring. Use the hot glue gun to hold it in place. Be careful, the glue is hot. And you're going to have to hold it for a few seconds just to keep it in place so the glue sets up. After that, take some orange spray paint the entire ring, and you may have to flip it over to do the bottom side. You want to get really good coverage there. Then, peat pots are used for gardening. You can take these and with a pair of snippers, you can actually cut it, almost like you're going to roll it up and make that stalk that's going to go in the top of the orange ring that you just created. Again, you're going to use the glue gun to hold this in place and put a bead of glue. Be careful, again, because the glue is hot. And then once you roll it and put it in place and it's all together, you go ahead and take the ring and you place it inside there with a couple squirts of the glue gun to hold it in place. And I'm sure that in some of those extra bags you have lying around, you've got some extra confetti that you can put at the top just to kind of dress it up and make it look more festive. And after you spend just a little bit more time, you have created a do-it-yourself pumpkin that's lightweight and you can place just about anywhere. Happy Halloween!